Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today we've decided to do something different. We've drove down to Tampa and we're going to Busch Gardens. Now I can't remember anything about Busch Gardens apart from Cheetah Run. The rest of it I have no idea. So let's take a look around together. Iron Gwazi. The last time we went on that it was just Gwazi and it was a full wooden coaster. Now it's being redone in steel and it's a kind of a hybrid coaster and it's supposed to be so much smoother because when we went on it, oh my god was it a rattler. I think it's time to get in line for cheetah hunt. Well, strike that. We've got a return time because it's a 55-minute wait, so we have to go back in 55 minutes. So this roller coaster is called Mon 2. Well, it's almost time to go on to cheetah hunt. It was a 55-minute wait when we got our return time. The standby is now gone up to 90 minutes. So that'll just give you an idea and a gauge of just how busy it is here at Busch Gardens today. It is real busy.
These articles are not permitted. Please place them in a locker.
So that's now cheetah hunt done. Not sure what other rides you want to get on because the lines, the heck's that? The lines are absolutely mental.
Because those are convicts. All of them are convicts. I'm surprised they have this many.
Caden's drained all the water.
Do you want to know how you ride crocodile? Alright, I'll throw you in.
Ooh, a murder kitty. This is Phoenix Rising, which is the newest ride here at Busch Gardens. As you can see, this is a hanging coaster and it kind of stays close to the ground on the majority of it. Obviously there is a lift hill. It's not a very tall lift hill, but yeah, it should give a good sense of speed with it being so close to the ground. So we're having a little bit of a drama. When cars came into the station, there was a huge bang, and they're having to keep testing the restraints. And when it made the big bang, the ride operator actually physically jumped. So not usually making that noise. So they've done a static test of the restraints, unlocked them, locked them again, and now they've sent the train around dry basically with no passengers in it. So we'll see if it makes that big bang when it comes in again. As you can see, the cars are empty. It got stuck just there before it came in and then made the big bang. So we'll see. Nope, no bang that time. Well, we've rode it, and in my opinion, for a brand new coaster, it was a little bit shaky and rough. Quite short. It was a good coaster. Could do with being smoother and could do with being a little bit longer. 3, 2, 1. Look in the comments for Chris Schofields. We like that. There's a growler up there.
When you look eye to eye with them, it's a connection like none other.
Right there close by the glass. You can see it close.
Significant differences.
It's right up here in the next window.
Things like their tree-dwelling ancestry. Gorillas are more like us. Spend most of their time living on the ground, foraging for plants and insects. Expressions and vocalizations. Here at Mayombe Reserve, we've identified several dozen different sounds, including grunts, howls, roars. To hunt monkeys, bush pigs, and other animals for their meat. Friendly physical contact helps maintain good relationships, including sustaining friendships or calming nervous individuals. Expressions and gestures are exceptionally important communication tools.
What goes on with the track right there? Oh my. What? The Kookaburra Aviary. Whoa. I'm inside of the exhibit with the birds. This feels kind of wrong. Hey birdies. They couldn't care less. I wondered what was dropping down. Birds are trying to poop on me. Flamingos! And this is Shikra. If you're wondering why I'm a bit wet, it's because we've just done the log flume and Stanley Falls log flume, that's what it's called. Yeah, it's a bit rough. It's a bit rough. It needs updated, that one. Yeah, she's a bit rough. Needs a little bit TLC, that one. Well, there you have it. That was Busch Gardens. We didn't get to ride too much because it is ram-packed and it's very hot. Also, the park's just closed because it's a Howler Scream night, so they're closing early to allow the Howler Scream to set up and all the scare actors get into position and all that good stuff. So anywho, on that note, I shall see you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.